VINCENZO'S gold crypto investing. Will you like, subscribe, and share? On our way to 2,000 subscribers for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, company philosophy, as we are a technical trading organization and company, right, and a probability-based. And you can see reversal Tuesday on the stock market is coming true. You can see that's an old Wall Street saying, reversal Tuesday, right? And you can see the Dow Jones futures are up 400% after they've been getting beat down, and they're having a reversal Tuesday, meaning they're going the opposite way as they've been going, right? And the cryptos are following it. You can see the Bitcoin is up 3%. It doesn't seem like the pump is done. I haven't really looked at the market this morning, just briefly. The pump may have some more to go. Let's see what we got going on. You can see we sort of bounced off and did. We indeed did bounce off the 200-day moving average. Right? And, oh, yes, I did. That's my cousin. I bought a new bowling ball, right? If you want to see what the new bowling ball looks like, we upgraded our old Black Widow, and we got a new Black Widow, right? The Black Widow Ghost Pearl. Our last one was the Black Widow Assassin that is currently in the car right now with me. Did very good, about 6 years, 7, 8 years, long time with that ball. But this one, I think, is going to be much better. It's got better hook, right? It's got all that power at the end of the shot, and that's why I like it, as I do a full latitude hook. I am a righty. I stand all the way on the left, and we throw the ball out all the way to the right, hug the gutter 3/4 of the way down the lane, and then we snap it back into the pocket on the last quarter of the lane, right? And that ball should generate some great power, great revolutions, and great pin action with all that power that is generated by that ball, right? So I'm very excited for when that ball comes in about 10 days. And you can see we did bounce off that 200-day moving average, right? And we're coming back up to that 45,000. And what looks to be happening is if we don't immediately pump up past here and make a run at 52, we might just have a nice consolidation along this orange ring, right, for a little while. We could, if we sort of start to top out and trade back down from here, you could start having a little consolidation, something like that, where you got your overhead resistance and your underneath support would be the blue ring or the orange ring and the 200-day moving average. So we'll see if it can get by there, breach the old high right here with our industry exclusive perching tool. Hello, it's Vincenzo, a little smaller arrow this time. But if you breach this old high from last week, you can make a run up there, and that's why that target's been there, right? It hasn't got moved. That green arrow and that target has been there since that target was put when the price was down there, right? And then we showed you how we thought we'd get topped out here on our trade, on a swing trade from the bottom down there, right? But it pumped a little bit higher, and then once we got sustained above it and didn't crash, we said we got to watch out for this now, right? So we're going to pay attention to the market and see what's going on reversal Tuesday, right? And you can see the DOGECOIN is trying to, Vincenzo is trying to bounce off of the blue ring, right? I'm telling you, these rings, the fib circles work. And you can see, you fucking jabroni. You can see right here, it's trading very close to the blue ring, right? And it's about to get above the 200-day moving average. And if it gets above the 200-day moving average, you can make a nice run up to 21 cents, right? And that's what we're watching for, maybe to indeed happen later on today if the coins continue to pump, right? And then the same thing with XRP. You can see we've been in this consolidation, right? Get off there. We've been in this consolidation right there, and our upper target on a break up is at the 98 cents, and we've had that up there for quite some time. And if you've watched the videos, the last 3 weeks, we've been out ahead of this, 69.69 steps ahead of the competition as we diagnose, sniffed out, and detected. And I've helped you avert and subvert the market manipulators to give you the best probability based way to trade. And on the break up, that is a beautiful target up there on this consolidation. And that was a symmetrical triangle in the 4-hour time frame, even though we're in the 3-hour time frame right now. And it's threatening to break up as all these other coins have broken up And we'll see if that indeed does happen, because if it indeed does break up, that could be a phenomenal move. But if it does hit that anywhere near that 98-cent target, that is an immediate sell zone, because I think there's going to be a harsh sell-off to where you trade back down to 73, 72, 74 cents on this uptrending underneath support, right? So if it gets up to that green 98 cents-ish, anywhere around there, 96, 94, 93, right? 97, 98, 99, $1, you sell. That is your that 98 zone is a sell zone, right? Because I think you're gonna have a big sell-off after. That just seems to be the way it's lining up. But that's what I would be looking for there in the XRP. And I'm sorry I got it on my little phone, but I'm driving, so this is the only way I can give you this update. Right? Last night I was bawling, and then I was drunk, and then I had to go to sleep because I have to get up early to go fucking work, right? So that's what's going on in the market. We'll keep you updated later on. Peace and love.